Michelle and Miguel's mom asked them to complete chores in the kitchen. Michelle, on her own, can wash the dishes and clean the kitchen in 20 minutes. Working at the same pace, when Miguel joins, they can complete the same task in 16 minutes. How many minutes would it take Miguel, working alone, to wash the dishes and to clean the kitchen? So we have Michelle, Miguel, and working together. Michelle can clean the kitchen, kitchen, doing the dishes, doing all the kitchen chores, one kitchen in 20 minutes. Working together, they can do it in 16 minutes. How long does it take Miguel? So our first goal is to find a common denominator, and then we can wipe out the bottom. So if you're on your first attempt, if you're like 16 and 60, what do they go into? If you can't think of it, then don't stress. We're going to take this times 16, times 16, times 16. Okay, they all have a 16. Make sure they all have 20s. Times 20, times 20, times 20. And make sure, that they all contain an X. Remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you must also do to the top. Now they all have a 20, a 16, and an X. So this is 320 with an X, this is 320 with an X, and this is 320 with an X. On top, I have 16X. Right here, I have 1 times 16 times 20, which is 320. And over here, I have 20X. Once the denominators are the same in a rational equation, we cancel out the denominators. And you have 16X plus 320 equals 20X. I'm going to move the X's to the same side. Okay, divide both by 4, and I get an answer of 80. Now we need to make sense of that. Remember, the problem asked, how long would it take Miguel, working alone, to do the dishes and to do the other chores in the kitchen? And it would take Miguel 80 minutes working alone to complete those tasks.